Hello, today I'm going to kill myself. Well, hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to breathe fire. Hello guys and gals. Today I'm going to be eating 4 different kinds of peppers, which range from low spiciness, like the jalapeno pepper and the Hungarian waxing pepper, to intense and very hot spiciness, like the serrano pepper and the habanero pepper. But first, I gotta take care of my safety, which is why I brought ice cream, my favorite kind. I brought tissues for when I start crying, because you know that might happen. And also I got goggles because I don't want it getting in my eye, so. Okay, first I need to fix that. Alright, now that I got this fixed, let's start. Oh boy, I'm so ready for this. Now, I just want to say first, the only one I've actually ever eaten is jalapeno, so the other ones will be the first time I've ever eaten it before. But these will be my true reactions to these. Hopefully I don't breathe fire. Well, actually no, I'm trying to make you breathe fire, so. Alright. Alright, can we stop there? Well, that was easy. I mean, I didn't even cry. Alright, but honestly, that was probably like a 5 out of 10. So, that was the jalapeno pepper. Next up, we got the Hungarian waxing pepper. Probably not gonna take as big of a bite as I did for that one, just so I don't. I'm gonna just go for it. That one wasn't bad. Hungarian waxing pepper. This is easy. Alright then. I guess it's time for the serrano pepper. Not much to say, it looks like green beans. I hope it doesn't taste like green beans. Alright. Okay, that one's a slow start. And that picks up. Not as hot as the jalapeno though. This one I can handle. Oh, that's through I feel my stomach already. Guys, I don't know if you can see this or not, but these glasses are fogging up. I'm not crying or anything, and I'm not crying, but they're fogging up. Alright. Habanero pepper. I've heard that it's pretty hot. I don't know how hot, but pretty hot. So I'm not gonna eat the whole thing because, you know, excuses. The Serrano one gets to you. They're fogging up again. Still not gonna cry. I don't know. Y'all can see the fog in here. But no tears. My face may be a little red. I could probably become the same color as my shirt. I think the jalapeno was the hardest one. And it said it was the lowest one. I don't know if you can see my what are they called? They're not goosebumps. The tongue bumps. I don't know. My taste buds. Alright. That wasn't that bad. I didn't need tissues. Still gonna eat this ice cream though. Who's not gonna eat ice cream? Come on. Were the peppers worth it? Probably not. Was the ice cream worth it? I think so. Would I do this again? If I get ice cream at the end. That wasn't bad. Alright. So anyway, if you liked the video or you liked watching other people get hurt, then give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next videos. I'm down. Just write down below whatever. I'll check them. And if you really like this, please subscribe because I will be doing a 100 layer challenge at 100 subscribers. Hopefully, that'll be awesome. I can't wait for it. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one.